How to fix ChatGPT not working on your iPhone. If the app isn't loading properly or is running very slowly, I'm going to show you a few quick ways to fix these problems. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on your profile icon at the top, then select iCloud. Scroll down to find Private Relay, tap on it, and make sure that Private Relay is turned off, just like you see here. Next, go back to the main settings page. Scroll down and tap on General, then choose iPhone Storage. From here, find ChatGPT in the list of apps. You may need to tap on Show All to see it. Once you locate the app, tap on it and select Offload app. Confirm by pressing Offload and wait a few seconds while it completes. After that, tap Reinstall app. Once it's done, go back to your home screen and wait for ChatGPT to finish reinstalling. When it's ready, open the app and see if the issue has been resolved. If it's still not working, tap on the menu icon in the top left corner of the ChatGPT app and try signing out of your account. Then sign back in. Once you've logged in again, the problem should be fixed. Let me know in the comments if this guide helped you.